Evening, sir. I pulled you over for the taillight. Can I see your driver's license,
Do I have,
please?
am I legally required to hand it over if I haven't done anything wrong?
Yes, sir. You're operating a vehicle, and by law, you need to present your license when an officer
Man,
asks.
all right.
Pause. We've all been there. The flashing lights behind you. The officer is going to approach your window, and the first thing they're going to say is, "Can I have your driver's license?" But have you ever wondered, do I actually have to show the ID to the police in a traffic stop? The quick and simple answer is yes, you do. But like many laws, the full picture is a little bit more nuanced. So let's get into the details. I'm Legal Hawk, and we're going to get into exactly what you need to do whenever you get stopped and the police ask for your driver's license. In Louisiana, the law is very clear. Louisiana Revised Statute 32411 is the key piece of legislation here. It states that anyone operating a motor vehicle on a Louisiana highway must have a valid driver's license in their immediate possession, and they got to display it upon the demand of the police officer. This is a crucial distinction. The law applies specifically to the driver of the vehicle. So, if you're the one behind the wheel, the police have a legal right to ask you for your license, vehicle registration, and proof of insurance, and you are legally obligated to provide them. This law has been in effect for a very long time, and while there hasn't been any major changes to this core requirement, court cases have reinforced that the demand must be tied to a lawful stop. Now, what about passengers? This is where it gets a little bit interesting. If you're a passenger in the vehicle, the rules are different. Generally, you're not required to provide identification to the police unless they have a reasonable suspicion that you are involved in criminal activity. Simply being a passenger in a car that has been pulled over is not enough to compel you to provide your ID. You have the right to ask if you are being detained. If the answer is no, you're free to go.
Evening, sir. Do you know why I pulled you over?
I think I rolled through that stop sign back there.
That's right. Can I see your license and registration?
Sure thing.
Thank you. Sit tight for me. I'll just write you a warning and get you on your way.
Appreciate that.
Fun fact, while failing to carry a license is a violation in Louisiana, you can often get the citation dismissed if you go to court and prove you had a valid license at the time you were stopped. It's a small detail that can save you a pretty big fine. Remember, knowing your rights is the best defense. If you want to impress your friends with your legal savvy and stay safe on the road, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We're going to be back next time to show you another Louisiana law, so I will see you then. And remember, this isn't legal advice, but you can go and read this exact same thing from the Louisiana's website itself. So, with that being said, I am going to be putting the link to the description of the article in the description of this video. Go and read it for yourself, find out a little bit more about the law. Till next time.